Like and subscribe.
Hello guys, today we are going to create a middle line on this hair. Yes, you are seeing how I'm plucking this lace to make the middle pattern to come out clean and nice. So we come in with your tweezer, that is plucking pin. You make sure you use your comb to draft the hair at the center of your mannequin hair to make sure you have a perfect and straight line. When using this tweezer, it's going to make your hair to look actually very nice. That's why you need a tweezer when plucking your lace. You draft it a bit and then you come in with your hand. You use your finger to pull it off and then you move it to have a perfect line, just as how you can see me doing it. At this stage, I'm combing the hair to make sure the line is nice. Yes, I'm showing you guys to see how I'm coming out with the middle pattern of the hair to make sure when my client is putting this lace on, it should be very nice on her. Yes, that's why I'm showing you. So at this point in time, I noticed the line was not that straight, so I decided to pluck it a bit to make sure it is very good and nice to go. Now I want to use my hot comb to make sure I hot comb the hair very. We need a hot comb at this point in time because your hot comb is going to help you bend the hair. It's going to help you smooth the hair very well. So I move in to partition the hair. Yes, partitioning the hair is going to make me pluck the hair to make the hair look like a natural hair on a client. So I draft a line, a little bit of it, and then pluck it in between the lace to make sure I'm plucking it a little bit. When the clients wear the hair, it should be like a natural hair, you understand? That's why we need to pluck the middle line of your hair. That's why we need to pluck it, because if you don't pluck it, it's not going to be nice. We need to pluck it. Yeah, I'm plucking this because I want it very good. Just see how I'm removing a bit strand of the hair. Yes, don't remove it all, remove it a bit and then you comb it with your comb to see if it is nice. Just see the way I'm removing it. That's how you need to do it. When you are done with that direction, you move to this other part. Just as how you partition the hair, you move to the other part to make sure you do the same thing that you did on the other part to this one. That's why you can see me still partitioning this side. Yes, still plugging it after removing a bit of hair and keeping it in front. I comb the hair here, yes, to make sure everything is intact. I pluck it again to make sure the hair is good. So make sure you pluck the hair, because plucking your hair make the hair look good and natural on your client. Can you see? Just see the line. Yes, that's how it's supposed to be. It's supposed to be good. And then you come in front, you remove a little bit of strand of hair where your lace in, and then you pluck it again very well to make sure it is good, to make the hair natural. So you need to do it on both sides of the lace. You are plucking the lace to make the hair natural and good when your client put it on. We are moving in with our hot comb to press everything, let everything lie down good, like everything should be smooth. When you want to hot comb your hair, you hot comb and send it behind of your client's face, or you are using the mannequin hair, you hot comb and send it behind so that the hair should leave the client's face and go behind of your client's face. The hot comb should be very, very hot. Yes, your hot comb should be very, very hot to make sure the hair is good. This process is very, very good for home use. You must not go to the salon all the time when you want to put on your lace and then the lace is not good to go. So you can do it in the house like this, and then your hair is very, very nice when you are walking on the street. So you're supposed to know basic things when it comes to beauty. Is very, very good when you do it like this in the house yourself. Yes, it's very, very good. So you need Can you see the hair? Yes, that's how your hair is supposed to be smooth, because your hot comb make sure it lay everything down. Yes, nothing is supposed to be flying. That's why we need a hot comb when you want to straighten your hair. This is just all about you knowing how to use your hot comb very well on your hair.